We're in for a quick unboxing. No review, just an unboxing of these new shoes. Boots just got from 3DM. 3DM is a company in India. The first time I ever bought anything for them. The shipping was actually pretty quick. They were ordered on Friday, it's a Thursday, so to come from India in a week, that's pretty darn good. I'm okay with that, so we're off to a good start here. Again, these are 3DM Lifestyles. That's the name of the company. I like the box so far. You do get a dust bag for each shoe, so that's good. We're going to try to open it. It's just a plain dust bag. These should be the nice Balmoral boots. These are looking pretty good now. It's a nice, rich chocolate brown. I like this. Like the suede upper. Feels decent here. The nape is it's pretty good. Nice feeling. So the stitching seems a little weird right here. Or is that coming off on camera? Maybe not, but okay. That's a good look. Good feel. This looks good. I like the way this is looking so far. Let's see how the other one. Sometimes you get one shoe that looks good and the other one doesn't work out so well. We'll hope we get a good pair. 2 feet, 2 shoes, right? This one is coming in very well. So, I like these. I may actually try to wear this to work tomorrow, see how comfortable it is. Give them and wear them around here a little bit, a couple of hours, and then see if we can actually get an entire day's worth of work out of them, of wear out of them. It's a good feeling leather. I really like the feel of the suede here. I like this a lot. We'll get into more detail. We're going to actually do some wear, and then we'll get back with the review.